Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add Roblox into Discord status. So guys, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So first of all, you have to click on this setting icon here. When you click on it, now you have to scroll down and go to uh, in this activity setting. You see this activity setting. Now just click on this activity privacy. Now on the right you have to write you have to keep this option enable this display current activity as status message. Keep this option enable, so Discord will automatically update your status based on your game you are playing and activity you are doing that supports rich presence if you are attending a public stage. Basically, if you play any Roblox game, it will automatically detect the game. Let's open any game right now to see whether it works or not. We are just open this Roblox game called Black Balls. Now, once I open it, if I open my Discord app, and now just click on this registered games, and you will see here the status. I am playing this game. Roblox now playing. You will see this method, or you will see this status. You can click on edit and click on, if you want to edit, you can click on it. Fine. So basically, if you want to overlay, you can also do that. So that's how you can add the Roblox in Discord status. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Let me see. Now you can see here in the status. You can see in the status playing a game Roblox. I can see in the my profile. So yeah. So yeah, hope you like it guys, and that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.